Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Hedorah. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Hedorah, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to begin right about here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up. And then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm just going to bring a line that's going to curve up. Next, we're going to go out and then come back in for the eye. And the same thing here, just go out and come right back in to shape that eye. Now I want to put a big circle inside each eye. So we're just going to make a nice big circle inside each one. Then we're going to go ahead and just make a smaller circle inside of there, and we can color most of that in. So we'll just make a smaller circle inside and just color most of it in. Now starting here, I'm going to make some little bumps right above the eye, and this is just going to be the eyebrow, or kind of like that eye ridge. So do that same thing here, just make some small little bumps, and we're just going to make these right across the top of the eye. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a little curved line that's just going to go from the top to the bottom. And we'll do that same thing here, just a little curved line that goes from the top to the bottom. That's just for a little bit of detail. Now, up here, let's make the head. We'll begin by drawing kind of like a sad face shape, and you can see it's right between the eyes, but it's above them. I'm going to add a couple little bumps over here. And then I'm going to make a little bump that's just going to come out and then in. Do the same thing here, I'll make a little bump. And then this one's going to be kind of bigger. It's going to be up, and then it's going to curve down here. Then I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come down here to kind of shape out that head. Now starting here, I'm going to curve this line in. And then we're going to make some kind of like the mouth almost. It's almost kind of like very octopus-like. So we're almost going to be making these kind of tentacle shapes. So we're just going to make some little kind of wavy curved lines that just kind of go down and then up. So we're just going to kind of add a bunch of these all around here. So I'm going to make some of them go different directions. And then we're going to start them different lengths too. So I'll start one up here, and I'm going to bring this kind of down. Then I'm going to make a couple more that are just going to kind of flow through here. Then we're just going to add a few more. Now, starting in here, I want to work on the body. So I'm going to start right here. I'm going to bring a line that's going to curve in like this. And I'll do that a few more times. We'll just kind of add some of these little curves. We'll make them a little bumpy. And then over here, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to make some that go down, but then we're going to add some of these extra little curves in here. Then I'm going to add just some extra little kind of curvy bumps and lines in here that just kind of connect in here. Now starting here, I'm going to draw some lines that just kind of go down and up, and some more that go down and up. And this is going to kind of form the arm. I'll make another one here. We're just going to go down, come back up, and we'll just make some little crazy lines. Next, we're going to draw some lines that just go down and come down and loop around, just to kind of make some more detail. And I'm just going to add a couple more. Now I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. And then I'll make another one that's just going to kind of come down and up. And we're just going to make some kind of wiggly lines all around here. Over here we'll make one that's just going to go down, come back up. We'll add another little line here. And then we'll make some more little kind of crazy lines. They're just going all over the place, just to make it look like he's really made out of lots of slime. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up. Then we'll make some more little curves all around here, just to kind of form out the body. I want to make another little row of these that are kind of right behind them as well. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. And we're just going to make some little kind of wavy lines in here. And then some more right in here. And those will kind of form where the legs are. Now, to make the feet, we're just going to make some long, kind of wavy lines like this. We're going to kind of make these little toe shapes. We'll just kind of go down and come back. Make another one that goes out and back, and then one more here. Make another one that goes down and back, and then just kind of curve all these around here. Next, we're just going to make some more wavy lines. And then this is our basic shape of our Hedorah. Now we just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to start with the eyes. Let's just add a couple little extra lines right around the eyes. Just to kind of add some little wrinkles and detail. I'm going to make a little broken line kind of right around here. And we'll make some more broken lines all around here. Sometimes where there are these curves, I like to add an extra little line or two, just to make a little more extra texture and stuff on there. And I'll come in here and kind of do the same thing. So wherever you see like a curve, just add a little bit of a longer line on there, and just adds a little bit of extra detail. So we'll just kind of add some little detail lines all around here. And we'll just kind of put these all over the place on here. I'm just going to add some of these extra lines kind of all around these different spots. And I like to make some of them kind of broken too, so when I come up I leave a little bit of space. And there's no right or wrong way to do this, just kind of add these extra lines all around here. We can even put some on the feet too. And we'll just kind of add some quick little details on there. Maybe a few more up here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of Hedorah from Godzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.